Hi guys, today also I am going to continue with the basic mathematics topic, so let's start straight away. So now let's move on with the next one. Okay, multiplication of any number by 12 to 19. Okay, so I have two examples over here. I am going to work out with the first one and you will work out with the second one. Okay, see, for multiplying 231, which is a 3-digit number, by 12, you will have to remove the 1 from here and you can replace it with a 0 over here. Okay, so if after removing the 1 and replacing it with 0 over here, it will be like this. Okay, now you will follow these steps. Okay, the first step will be by multiplying these two numbers, which will give you 1 into 2 will give you 2. Okay, and the second step, you will multiply this number, okay, 3 into 2 and add the previous number. 3 into 2 will give you 6, and while adding this, the previous number 1 will give you 7. Okay, so let's move on to the third step. See, here you will multiply it by 2 into 2 and add the previous number. Okay, by multiplying 2 into 2 you will get 4 and adding 3 you will get 7 again. Okay, your answer will be 7. So again, for the fourth step, you will have to multiply this 2 and this 0. Okay, one second. So for the fourth step, you will multiply 0 and 2 and add the previous number. 0 into 2 will give you 0, and by adding the previous number you will get 2. So you will have the answer as 2. So how will you get the total answer? You will have to write it by 0, 2. Okay, 7, 7, and the next number you have got is 2, right? So while adding these all answers which you have got, you will get 2772, okay, as your answer. So you can try the next sum and I will give the answer. Okay, see, I'll repeat the steps again. For multiplying any 3-digit number by the numbers between 12 to 19. Okay, I have an example over here, 231 into 12. Okay, I have taken this number 1 and I have replaced it at 0 over here, and for the first step I have multiplied the first two numbers and I have got the answer as 2, and for the second step I have multiplied this 3 into 2 and I have added the previous number, which is 1. I have got the answer 7, and for the third step I have multiplied 2 into the third number and I have added the previous number, okay, which I have got the 7, and for the fourth step I have multiplied the 2 into the fourth number and I have added the previous number, which gave me 2. By adding all these answers, I have a total answer of 2772. Okay, now I will tell the answer for the second one. The answer will be 4032. Okay, this is your answer. Let's move on to the next one. So the next topic will be multiplication of any number by 21 to 99. Okay, you can choose any of these numbers to multiply with any number. Okay, basically this trick works with starting from the 3-digit numbers. If you have a 2-digit number, then you can use the 2 into 2 multiplication method, which I have explained already. So let's start with the first example. So here we have a 3-digit number which is 231 multiplied by 21. For before we have seen a 3-digit multiplication by numbers between 12 to 19, but we removed the 1 before 12 and we replaced it as 0 over the 3-digit number. So over in this type we will have to write it down. Okay, first I will write it. Okay, I have written it. Okay, see, for multiplying any 3-digit or 4-digit number, you can with the 21 to 99. So I have one vacant place over here which I can replace it by 0, and I can use the 3 cross 3 multiplication, which I have already said. If it is a 4-digit number, then you can replace it by 2 zeros over here. Like if I have 4 ones multiplied by 21, okay, then I will replace 2 zeros over here. Okay, and I will do the 4 cross 4 multiplication, which I am going to teach next. Okay, before starting with the next sum, I'll tell the answer for multiplying 231 into 21, which will give you 4851. Okay, so next topic will be 90s multiplication. I have 2 examples over here. So the first example is 98 into 95 and the second example is 97 into 82. So I have a shortcut method which you can use it for the 90s multiplication. Okay, so let's take initial value of 100. Okay, see, by okay, see, what is the difference between 100 and 98? You will get 2. Okay, that is by the difference is 2. So when you minus 2 from 100, you will get 98. So let's write minus 2. So again, from 100, if you minus 5, you will get 95. So I will write minus 5 over here. Okay, so I'm going to multiply these 2 numbers first, which will give me minus into minus will give you plus, and 2 into 5 will give you 10, which I'm going to write over here. Okay, the next, for the front numbers, you will have to multiply this number, I mean the 95 plus this 2. Okay, you don't have to multiply, just add these 2 numbers or these 2 numbers, which will give you the same number, that is 95 minus 2 will give you 93, same as 98 minus 5 will give you 93. So write 93 over here. Okay, so by multiplying 98 into 95, you will get 9310. Okay, so for the second sum, if I minus 3 from 100, I will get 97. So I am writing minus 3. And if I minus 18 from 100, I will get 82. So first I will multiply this 3 into 18, which gives me 54. Okay, and now by subtracting or adding, okay, I will tell you, 82 plus minus 3 will give you 79. Same, 79 minus 18 will give you 79. So you can write 79. So now multiplying 97 into 82, you will get 54 as your answer. The next I have over here is 4-digit multiplication. That is, I have taken 2 4-digit numbers and I have to multiply them. So now it involves 7 steps, so I have written it 7 times. So I said it involves 7 steps, so I have written 7 times. So let's start with the first step. For the first step, I will have to multiply these two numbers. By multiplying 6 into 2, I will get 12. So I am writing 12 over here. And for the second step, I will have to multiply this and add up with this 2 multiplications. Okay, that is 4 into 2, I will get 8. And by multiplying 3 into 6, I will get 18. Which add up to, 18 plus 8 will give you 27. Okay, so for the third step, I am going to multiply this number, next this and this, and I will add all these numbers. Okay, first I will multiply 3 into 2, and then I will multiply 3 into 4, and then I will multiply 4 into 6 and add up all these multiplied numbers. Okay, that is 12 plus 6 plus 24 will give me 42. Okay, now for the fourth step, I am going to multiply these two numbers and this and again this none. Okay, now I will have to multiply these numbers and add them. Okay, first I will multiply 3 into 3, which gives me 9, and 4 into 4 will give me 16, and 3 into 2 will give me 6, and 6 plus 2 will give me 12. Okay, so by adding all these numbers, I will get 70. Okay, 70. Now guys, I'm so sorry, I have made a mistake. Here I will get 26, and here I will get 43. I have written 70. Okay, okay. Now for the fifth step, I'm going to multiply this, this and this. Okay, and add them. So by multiplying 3 into 3 will give me 9, 4 into 3 will give me 12, and 4 into 2 will give me 8. So 12 plus 9 plus 8 will give me 29. And for the sixth step, I am going to multiply these two numbers and add them. That is, by multiplying 3 into 4 will give me 12, and then multiplying 3 into 2 will give me 6. 12 plus 6 will give me 18. Okay, for the last step, the seventh step, I will multiply these two numbers, which gives me 6. So how will I get the total answer? So I am writing over here. First I got 12, and then 26, and then 42. Sorry, yeah. Okay, next is 43, 29, 18 and 6. For the total answer, we will get, by adding this, we will get 8, 1, 3, 7, 4, 7, next is 2. Okay, this will be the answer when you add these all. Okay, now we have got all the multiplication types, so I guess it will be easy for you guys to pick up. So just keep on practicing, it will get easy for you guys. So on the next video, I'll continue with the basic mathematics with the squares, square root and cube root values. Okay, thank you.